Tomer Cohen is the Chief Product Officer for LinkedIn. So when he speaks, we all need to pay attention to what he says because he's giving us information that's going to help us be more effective. And I'm Jeff Altman. I was nicknamed the Big Game Hunter many years ago. People hire me now for no BS job search advice and career coaching globally because I make job search much easier for people. He wrote an article on LinkedIn for his newsletter where he spoke about a couple of signals that recruiters can use if they use the LinkedIn Recruiter feature on LinkedIn, a paid service that allows them to search the entire database for people. And within this, there's a feature called Spotlights. And then there's a Spotlight feature called Active Talent. The Active Talent Spotlight allows an account to follow signals to help recruiters find people who are open to work, have made profile edits, applied for jobs, and shared a public resume. Those are the four big signals. Now, let me go into what he wrote because I think it's very useful for all of us. The open to work signal includes professionals who have indicated that they're open to new opportunities on their profile while keeping this signal private from their current company. Open to work is also taking into account recency, so recruiters can focus on new candidates who've shown interest in new opportunities. Now, one of the little tricks with this is from time to time, what you do is you have open to work on, you turn it off for a few days and put it back on. Each of those actions demonstrates recency to the algorithm and more likely to refer. Number two is profile edits. We look at whether a member has made recent edits to their profile, such as a new job title or changes in the job description, as indications that they might be considering a career change and be a good fit for a role. So make changes to your profile with regularity. Maybe it's adding an extra couple of periods at the end. Like on job boards, the trick used to be you'd post a resume, you'd be at the top of a search result. But as time progressed, your resume would descend as more resumes came in on top of it. So the trick was you'd skip a few lines at the end of your resume and put a period there. And you'd come back the next day and delete it. And consistently you'd be moved to the top because the system would believe that this was a new resume. This is the LinkedIn equivalent. Job applications was the third thing. They look for profiles who've applied to any job recently. If someone has applied to a job, they're likely in the market and might like to hear about your role. Fourth, they've shared a public resume. They'll also show members who've consented to have their resume shared globally and are likely interested in new opportunities. So those are four signals that you have to pay attention to if you are actively looking for a role to feed the beast, to feed the algorithm, so it wants to refer you to recruiters who have purchased the LinkedIn Recruiter product and want to find talent with your background. I hope you found this helpful. I'm Jeff Altman. My website is thebiggamehunter.us, but even better than that is jobsearch.community, my new site where I have all my video courses, books, and guides there. I've got stuff for free on the homepage, but I've got inexpensive, tiers of service. So if you become an insider, you get access to all my video courses. In addition, video courses, books, and guides, plus I answer questions from you on a daily basis. If you become an Insider Plus member, what you do is you can, in addition to all those video courses, books, and guides, and the ability to have me answer questions daily, I'll also get on Zoom calls with you twice a month. And of course, Insider Premium is designed to give you all that other stuff, plus one-on-one and group coaching. So again, that's at jobsearch.community. Hope you have a terrific day, and most importantly, be great.